In today's video, I'll show you guys how to debloat Microsoft Edge and make the browser looks clean. To do this, just close stuff here. As you can see, it's still running in the background and we will make that gone after doing these steps. So just minimize this and check my video description for this WinRAR tweaker download link. Once download done, search for a tweak type Edge. Double click on Microsoft Edge and go to disable anonymous and bloat. Check everything. Then disable desktop shortcut creation after updates. Check out this disable updates for Microsoft Edge. And once you've done this, just close stuff here and open up Task Manager, close the Microsoft Edge, reopen it, and you will have the clean Microsoft Edge opens up. No ads, nothing at all. You can use it like a normal browser. And when you close it, you never see Microsoft Edge running in the background. And this will help you fix lots of trouble, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.